Hello and welcome to my talk on tangible version control, exploring a physical object's alternative versions. My name is Maximilian and my co-author is Katrin. In our work, we explored how the idea of version control could be transferred from desktop environments into the real world. When taking a look at existing version control systems, they are mainly supporting text-based content, but there are also solutions that support 3D modeling. However, existing tools focus on digital workflows on a 2D screen. To support the physical creation of artifacts, we propose tangible version control. Tangible version control uses augmented reality to enable version control in the real world. The physical object is used for exploring its alternative versions, which it can be compared against. This makes the interaction seamless and more natural than referring to a secondary screen. In order to prototype an interaction design, we split the concept into parts timeline and comparison, as most related tools structure their interface that way. The timeline is a virtual object containing all alternative versions. It is placed by moving the physical object. Once placed, the timeline is spatially anchored and the physical object can be moved out of its virtual twin. When the physical object is moved into another version, a comparison between the two is triggered and highlighted. The comparison then takes place directly on top of the physical object, allowing the user to move and rotate the object for inspection of the comparison from all angles. We prototyped 3 modes. In the side-by-side mode, the compared against version floats next to the physical object, mimicking its rotation. In the overlay mode, the compared against version is superimposed on top of the physical object. In the differences mode, differing parts are detected and highlighted. This way, the user is shown which parts need to be added, removed, or exchanged. In the future, there are many areas to expand to. For example, the addition of meta information and bigger repositories, consisting of multiple branches with many versions each. Since tangible version control works with physical content, it is limited in flexibility and accuracy compared to existing version control systems. At the same time, we see its physicality as an opportunity. It puts in focus on human abilities to work with tangible material, supporting alternative kinds of creativity that are enabled by working in the real world. Finally, we see a step forwards in supporting asynchronous and remote collaboration for physical objects. For more information on tangible version control, please refer to the paper. Also, do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Thank you.